Hello and welcome to the topic Diachronic Approach in Linguistics. Terminological Distinction. The terminological distinction between synchronic and diachronic approaches in linguistics was first made by Swiss linguist Ferdinand de Saussure, 1857-1913, in his Course in General Linguistics, published posthumously in 1916. We move on to the next. Diachronic approach. The diachronic approach traces the historical development of the language and records the changes that have taken place in it between successive points in time. We move on to the next. Diachronic approach. It considers the development and evolution of a language through history. Diachronic is therefore equivalent to historical. It investigates language changes as they have occurred from time to time. We move on to the next. Diachronic linguistics. Briefly, it is the study of the history of language. It is also known as diachronic linguistics, and diachronic linguistics is the same thing as that of historical linguistics. It's very much clear, no need to explain. So we continue. Diachronic approach in linguistics. When we study linguistics, the English language, if you have diachronic approach to study language, we will have this order, that is to say, this is the line, vertical line and imaginary line of time, and we will study in a historical manner. Like, for example, if you want to study the English language, we will talk about Old English, Middle English, Early Modern English and Modern English. So our way of studying language will be in a vertical manner of time, that is to say, starting from 500 to 1066 to 1500 and 1700. So we will study language from historical perspective, changes that have taken place time to time in different centuries and in different periods of time. This way of studying linguistics is known as diachronic approach. We move on to the next. Diachronic approach in linguistics, a timeline of the important historical periods in the history of language. This is the way we study language through diachronic approach in linguistics. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.